I've been doing cell replacements in these for a couple of weeks now. Um, I've already posted a couple of videos showing you how to test the cells to identify the bad ones and how to replace them. I feel, however, I have not fully elaborated on the full dangers of carrying out cell replacement on lithium-ion batteries. I mentioned puncturing the cells if they're loaded cells, how dangerous that is and how it can cause sort of a mini explosion. But I failed to mention how hazardous working with this battery in the form it's on now, with exposed cells and connectors and all exposed. If you're not careful enough, you could have a difficulty, fire, potential burns to your hands, whatever. These cells are all wired a certain way. This is the positive terminal, and that's the positive, that's the plus to minus, 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 and then connected to the negative. That's the way these things are wired. But it's safe enough sitting the way it is. But if you're working on one of these, I would recommend that you wouldn't have a metal bench, for example, because if you put that down like that on a metal bench, you're connecting these here together, and that's bad. That'll start to heat up. That would probably stick to a metal bench, probably weld it still there. You could cause cell explosion. You could burn yourself. You could start a bit of a fire. Quite dangerous in itself. Also, if you're working on a wooden bench, I usually work on the concrete because I know it's safe. If you're working on a wooden bench, make sure the work area is clear of all types of metal objects like nails or screws or iron filings or anything that can connect them together when they shouldn't be connected should be out of the way. And I mentioned burns. I really should be wearing gloves when I'm doing this. I really should. So I felt the responsibility to do this video since I've been doing so many of the cell replacements and testing videos. I don't want anybody out there to get into any difficulties because of my YouTube channel. So hopefully you take heed to this. Thank you.